how to send a new text message on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, in here, in the conversation list, you can create a new text message from the existing conversation, or you can create a new one by tapping on this compose button at the bottom. Next, we type in the name. So type in the name here. So I'll type in incoming call and then tap on that. Here you can see I already have a conversation, so basically just open up the existing conversation. And then at the bottom here is the text box, so you tap on that and then that will bring up the keyboard. And then you can start typing. This is a new text. And then tap on the send button. Now if you have multiple SIM card or dual SIM card, you can tap on this button and choose which SIM card to use. And then tap on the send button to send a text. After you can continue to send more text. This is a second text. Here at the right hand side, at the left hand side here, you can tap on it. This will allow you to attach a picture to your text. You can use the camera to capture a picture or attach a GIF image, stickers, magic compose. You can attach files, your current GPS location. You can attach a contacts, schedule send, selfie GIF, and your current location as well. Okay, so those are the additional things that you can send or attach to your text message. So let's say I want to attach a GIF pictures. Here I can tap on that and then tap on the send button and then tap on the back key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.